Hi guys, I am Kayum, and in this video we will going to see why you use pipes in Linux. So pipes are pipes are used for uh, for example, if you want to give first command output to the second command, so it will act as a gateway between two commands. It will act as a gateway between 2 to 3 commands. So in this way we can use pipe. So for example, the basically actually the basic command is ls. Okay, so I will take ls as an example. So here you can list out all the files in this directory. Okay, now if for example we have pipe, for pipe we are taking straight line. Okay, so now ls, now head 1. Okay, so now you can see that we have used ls, then the pipe sign, which is straight line. Okay, and then we use head command, then minus, then hyphen n, then 1. So basically we have done we did the pipe between ls and head command. So what are the whatever output the ls command gives, it will direct it towards head command. And as we know that head command will give us the first few lines of our output. So here when we execute ls command, it prints out both the files inside this directory. Then the output go towards the head command, and here head, in the head we have taken only uh, 1. So in this way we just want to print the first line. Okay, so in this way this pipe, this head n1 gives us the first file in this directory. So in this way we can use the head command. Similarly, let me show you df-h. Let me clear this. Let me show you df-h. As you can see that df-h is the uh, all the mount points in this Linux machine. Along with this, I will usage and percentage size. So in this way, this df-h command is used. So now let me use pipe in this, and let again use head n. So we want the first 3 lines. Okay, so in this way we will pipe this. As you can see that we have successfully piped it, and df-h gives us the total number of mount points and their usage. And then we pass this df-h output to the head command. In the head command we just want to print the first 3 lines, so that's why we have type here 3. So in this way this whole pipe execution gives us the result like this. Okay, so first 3 lines, so it prints the first 3 lines. In this way we can use the pipe command. So as you can see that the pipe command use to gives the first command output to the second command, first command output to the second command. Then again if you want furthermore, then third command. Then if you want furthermore, then fourth command. In this way the pipe command use. Okay, the pipe is used. Similarly, let me show you again df-h. Okay, tail -3. Okay, so as you can see that this command gives us the last 3 mount points. Okay, amongst the df-h. Okay, so in this way again if you want to see the last say 5 mount points, so it will give you the last 5 mount points. So in this way you can use mm, the tail command. Okay, so as you can see that I have used two pipes here. So the first command would be of df-h, then we want the last five lines to be printed, so it will print 5 lines. Then among those 5 lines we just want to print the first 2 lines of that 5 lines. So in this way we have pipe 2 times. So now let's execute this. So as you can see that this command gives us the similar result. Okay, here we can see that last 5 lines are these. Among these we have again filter it to the first 2 lines. So now it's print out first 2 lines among these 5 lines. Okay, so in this way you can print say you can say that pipe command is used. So hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.